So if I go into this presentation, everything has been talked about. I think everyone who's here, I don't want to teach to the choir, but I'll just talk about some of the applications which can go like agriculture, survey, mining, and some of the new things when I say some of the one slide on what other countries are doing. But if you look at the entire network has been put, it's a great infrastructure which the country has created. And I think we feel very proud and humbled that, we contributed to this effort in creating this infrastructure. If I go to the next slide, you can see some of the applications, rather people who are using it. I'm just naming them: L&T, FCONS, HCC, Meghna, NEEPCO, UK, I would say Uttarakhand, Jal Vidyut Nigam. This is on the construction companies and monitoring applications. They're using it to our knowledge because we are working with them and they're using this piece. And on the next generation infrastructure like smart cities, connected cars, drones, you can see some of the smart cities are using it, pilot projects ongoing at GM, Tesla. These are the places where they are using it, all the accuracy. When you say about autonomous vehicles, you have to have a high definition map and know the exact position on the map, and that's how you navigate. Most of the automotive companies are using some of these technologies from us, as well as the mapping agencies. And some of the flying companies like Genesis, IAC, all of them are SECON. They are using the CORS network because without it, you're just not able to give the real output. John Deere on the agriculture side. And if you look at on the other side, on the transportation, where this can be truly used is on transportation gaming applications. Business analysts, they can use it. And some of the likes of delivery on the food delivery, groceries, logistics, of course, they are being used. But you want the really accurate way to go and push the button to that home. You can take to the next level when they do the densification, as well as, giving handheld devices which can take you to the right location. And of course, the response time in police force and all the places, especially 911 back in US, we have complete solution which is using this reference framework in terms of the positioning, and as well as, as we go, all the fleet management. Mining is again big application which can be used. This is one integrated, I would say, integrated solution what we have developed with one of the state governments. We take the data from one of the NIC servers, they bring it to the surveying equipment, do the field survey. Again, CORS becomes a very important piece of it. They have to be constantly working, and the CORS network was set by us in that state. And you do the field activity, after the survey is done, you check for the quality, you check for the accuracy, and push it back, the resurvey which has been done or survey which has been done back into the NIC servers. And I very feel good to tell that, just 1% is the sort of a complaint rate which comes after this resurvey has been done. And this is an ongoing program, but this is a complete integrated solution which has been developed. And of course, when you do airborne surveys or you even do the, drones, you require the ground network. And I don't want to go through this slide, but it everywhere, going up to all the revenue departments are using. All of you are here: Gram Panchayats, PWD, rural development, agriculture, drainage, canals, education, power, everywhere. So of course, as we've been talking since the day that it can be used, but this is, as we talk, this is being used in many places. That's why we gave name of some of those customers. And this is one example, we are trying to take from outside as we were discussing that what can we talk about it. Like in Germany, they are actually trying to do the entire Germany or one municipality as well as the entire country digital twin. And there the CORS network plays a very, very important role. And if you look at even on the power lines in UK, Blue Sky is using this CORS network as well as get into this entire surveying piece on the roads. Some of these IC technologies use it. As well as on the rail side, NCRTC, I have one slide on that, as well as, on the high-speed railway project, which Mr. Pramod Sharma has already explained, very important, as well as on the bathymetric lidar, this is IC in Dubai project, they are using it. And we are a proud partner of giving sensors to all these. That's why we are mentioning it over here, not only the CORS network, but our sensor, lidar sensors, and also having 5 cameras. They are the best in the world. That's being used by most of these projects. That's why you find this slide is over here. And on the NCRTC, they really put it, and during the entire construction phase, this is already inaugurated, and proud to say that, that the network was set up, and during the entire process, they used it very well. And so that it is accurate, everyone's aligned, they have a single source of truth, their common reference. All that was done by NCRTC and that's already has delivered results to them. And now they're starting, Delhi Merit is done, now they're working on the other two regional network, other Panipat as well as to on the Alwar side. And this is just, maybe if I can just say, it is 1 minute video, if I can run it. So, tie with OEMs, densification, make network for free. This maybe I'm asking for something for free, communication outreach. I think important, Mr. Makwan, is also like this is, all stakeholders are there, but to the general public also, we can run some campaigns by which we can say this is all done. Like, WhatsApp is being used so extensively these days. I think we can do it to have more awareness happening in the country.